making our sandwich of the month. It's going to be our Greek chicken gyro sandwich. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our 4 ounces of our chicken that's already portioned and put together. We're going to come over to the grill. Sorry. Get some water. Make sure your grill's cleaned. Get some water. Put the water down. Your chicken. Then cover it up. Cook it for about 1.5 minutes. Set it. While you're doing that, you're going to grab your place setting for your sandwich. It's your plate for your checker paper. You've got your tzatziki sauce that we put it on the side. You're going to grab the white paper and we're going to wrap it just like we would for the meatball sandwich. Just like that. Check on my chicken. Flip it. While we wait for that to go on, we're going to grab our 1 pita, and then we're going to put this on the grill for about 30 seconds each side. That's our chicken. I have another 30 seconds. Do that with this pita. Basically, you're going to wait until the pita is warm to the touch on both sides. I just flipped the pita because it was warm on that side. And we have another 30 seconds left on the chicken. Go ahead and set it alongside, face that way, so that way you kind of hold it like a taco. Chicken's done. Go ahead and put it down on top of the pita first. And then we're going to use 1 scoop of the red disher of our relish, which it has our tomatoes, our cucumbers, and our red onion. Should we do that first or the lettuce? Oh, that's right. Before I go ahead and put the relish down, I'm going to go ahead and grab romaine. It's going to be 5 ounces.
Half an ounce.
Oh, sorry. It's going to be half an ounce. I don't know why I said 5 ounces. That was funny. So I went ahead and turn on my scale. I'm going to do 5 ounces, which, perfect. 5 ounces.
Half an ounce.
Again! Half an ounce. I can't do math, guys. Don't trust me. So the lettuce first, and then again, 1 red scoop of our relish. To make sure that you can kind of see a little bit of all of the product that's inside of the gyro, so that way they can see before they eat it. Okay, and then last thing is 1 ounce of our feta cheese. I did that right. One ounce. How I wrap it is I kind of hold it like you're going to do a taco. Take the back first. wrap, and wrap. Wait, that's too far. And then to keep the paper in place, if it's going to pop out, we can go ahead and use a toothpick. Link your hand. There we go. And then doesn't it come with a pickle? Yes, since it's a sandwich, you automatically get a pickle. And there we have it.